Ready to turn your WordPress website into a passive income machine? Let's dive into how to seamlessly add Amazon affiliate links to your WordPress site. Step by step. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. We are going to need a plugin. Navigate to plugins and click add new in the search bar. Type AAWP. That's AAWP. This is a powerful plugin specifically designed for Amazon affiliates. Click install now and then activate. After activation, you'll need to connect the plugin to your Amazon Associates account. Head to the AAWP settings panel, usually found in the left-hand menu. Enter your Amazon Associates tracking ID and your Amazon API keys. You can find these in your Amazon Associates account settings. This connects your website to Amazon, allowing you to create affiliate links. Now, let's create a link. Open a new or existing WordPress post. You'll see an AAWP button in the editor. Click it. The AAWP shortcode generator will appear here. You can search for products on Amazon and create various types of affiliate links, product boxes, text links, even bestseller lists. Simply search for your desired product, customize the link appearance, and click Insert Shortcode. The shortcode will be added to your post when a visitor clicks this link and makes a purchase on Amazon. You'll earn a commission. Remember to optimize your links by placing them strategically within your content. Provide valuable product information, and always disclose your affiliate relationship. Start monetizing your website today and watch those commissions roll in.